place would be very, very quiet. Sometimes certain creatures will be on the banks of the creek, but they're gonna hear me just creeping through the leaves. If you hear the water splash, you know something jumped into the creek. I don't hear anything. I don't see anything. I don't know. I'm going to cast out and see if anything's moving. Good morning, boys and girls, ladies and gentlemen, everybody, fans around the world. DGTV, Delaware Valley. It's your boy DG, the host. I'm just out in the creek today. Look at that way. Look at that way. It's beautiful fall weather. It's great. You can see through some of this stuff, some of you can't. Have fun fishing with me today. DGTV. Oh, I almost tumbled there, folks. I'm gonna start off throwing some wax worms. Look at that little guy, like a grub. Some live wax worms, grub type situations. Just to see if I can bring anything out. I don't visually see anything at the moment. That doesn't mean anything though. I missed that. I ain't even had that on camera. Oh man, believe it or not, guys, this is a puny little smallmouth bass. Unreal. Look at this little smallie. Oh man, one smallie. Look at that. I want to go put him in my tank. That's the fun thing about creek fishing, is the variety of fish that you can get. Even if they little fish, which they most, I know it seems like there's going to be a bunch of babies. They still fun to catch. There's just something about fall fishing that's so fun. Like, I don't know if you could tell, on top of the water right over there, you can see a bunch of small insects swimming across the top of the water, and that's feeding the fish. That's feeding the fish out here. That's a good thing. That's a good thing, those bugs. So what I'm doing today is fishing with, they're called wax worms at the tackle shop, but they look like they probably grubs. Probably another word for saying grubs. It is trout season, but I don't see nothing swimming around. I don't think they made it this far down yet. They did stock further up north, but put that grub on there like so. Get the tip of that hook out right about there. I don't know if that's a good setup. We're about to find out. Fun fall fishing, guys. It's comfortable weather. The leaves floating on top of the water. I don't got my drag set really strong right now because I don't expect nothing big. Just bouncing this grub across the bottom along the rocks with a small split shot. Oh, just seeing what species we can pull out. Just to see the species we can pull out here. Look at this. I don't know if that's it might be a green sunfish, folks. It could be. Because I'm looking at the fins, the orange in the fins tell me it's a green sunfish. I'm gonna go with green sunfish, but not 100% sure. Could be a red breast. So comfortable out right now. Real slow retrieve, a couple of jerks like that. Bounce that bait across the rocks. So I creep down just a little bit, not too much. Right in that spot. So we got a smallie, a real smallie, and a couple of red breast slash green sunfish. What we got here? Another tiny red breast. I mean, he took it pretty deep. See if I can get that up out you, buddy. Sometimes this happens, folks. Let's see if we can do the best we can to get that up out you. Say ah. Say ah. I tell you, if the hook goes deep where you can't get it out with the needle nose, just get you a little stick. It's like, again, this looks cruel. Get you a little stick, stick it down in that fish, and twirl it like so. Wait a minute, that was too soft. This fish might not make it, guys, because that hook got down in there, and I'm trying to get it out. I'm gonna stick that way down in there. His mouth is just so tiny that we got it out. I don't know what's gonna be the status of that fish. Unfortunately, it doesn't look. You know, in the process of fishing, when you're doing catch and release, you're gonna lose some fish. Everybody not gonna make it. Because when you're doing creek fishing, you're really using a really tiny hook. And that's gonna be the problem if they really just inhale that bait. That's gonna happen a lot if they inhale that bait. All part of the game. I'm gonna try to carefully rinse my hands off here. Get that blood on there. All right. I get snagged. Nothing big swimming around. No, I can't see. Last time I was down here, or 2 times ago, I caught that beaver or muskrat swimming through. Pretty much probably, oh, I was like, what's that? Oh, nice. Is that a 3rd species? Now this one, okay. Well, this is a more defined green sunfish for sure. This is definitely a green sunfish for sure. The bigger mouth is the key. Slightly different pattern. The orange is only really on the tips of the anal fin. Or the green sun, 3rd species, bigger. That big mouth is the key to the green sunfish. Other 2 were red breasts. This is your green. So we got 3 species in catch and release fishing. Small fish, but still very entertaining. Very, very entertaining. Again, if you get that grub on the hook about right here, and you want that point to stick out like so. 1 smallie, 2 red breasts, and a green sunfish. You got another one. What's that one? What's that one? What we got? Red breast. Red breast number 3. Red breast number 3. Smaller mouth is the key. Don't have the size mouth as a green sunfish. It doesn't have it. Smaller mouth. Orange belly. That's getting back in. He's starting to bleed. Let's loosen the drag a little more and see how far we can go across. That was weak. It's not a lot of weight on here, guys. Not a lot of weight at all. I don't have the drag tight, so the fish can be even funner. If you tighten up the drag, you probably just snatch them out of there. You don't want to do that. You want to enjoy the full cast. Look at the leaves just fall. That's why I call it fall. They just drop down. It's so gorgeous. What a scenery. Fall is beautiful. What a, oh, as soon as that hit the water, that was a fun fight. I know catching large fish is the greatest, but just the fun of just fish, just catching fresh fish straight out the creek. That's another red breast. The red breasts are dominating right now. Red breasts are dominating off the waxworm. Another red breast. Non-stop red breast action. I ain't mad at you. Love the non-stop action. I seen something a little bit longer down there. I hope the camera picking up as much as it could pick up. Look, 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 they just attacking. Oh, I see something. I see multiple species right down there. I got some night crawlers. I just wonder if the night crawlers will trigger a different bite, because there's something else down there that's a little bit longer and, you know, a different shape of a fish down there. But I'm gonna go back in with the grub slash wax worm. I think I lost. Let me see what I did there. All right, everything's still intact. Let's get it right over there. Oh, they chasing. They're chasing. They chasing, bite it, get it. Watch that line straighten out, guys, from the bites. He didn't bite it good enough. Put it right back out there for him. Oh, hey, it's just playing around. The cat and mouse game, they playing around. Got him. Got him. Got him. What's this? What's this? Tighten the drag. Green sunfish, guys. Look at that. How we know it's a green sunfish? Look at that mouth. Look at that mouth. Beautiful fish. Beautiful fish. The mouth on them green sunfish or something. They can suck up something. Got you. Got him. Got him. What is it? Is it a red breast? What is that? It's dark. Is that another green sunfish? Just dark? Got a little bit of weight to him? Or is that a... Wait a minute. No. Probably the bigger. Yeah, it's definitely the biggest green sunfish I caught so far. Look at the mouth. This guy almost got like a bass mouth. Look at this. Look at the mouth on this guy. Look at that. That's a beautiful fish. Very nice. Got some darkness back here. So these different species are just sharing the waters. It's fun. I'm just watching them. Here's that tip for you. See out there how it's light, and as you come more this way into the shaded area is where the fish hang out at. They hang out in the dark so you can't see them. Similar like other they hide, so they hide in the dark. That's why you can never rule out what's really down there, because of the rocks and their ability to hide in the darkness, so you can't see them. And the darkest part of the creek is where you're gonna get the most fish. Where the trees, where everything's dropping at, that's food. What we know is that the wax worms slash grub was picking up a lot of green sunfish and red breast and that one baby smallie. But I got some night crawlers I want to throw on here and see if that could trigger a different bite. That's what we're going to do. So I switched from over there to here Now it's a little bit more dicey over here because all the extra branches in the water, all the heavy rocks. But we got this patch right here that's dark and rocky. And what I'm gonna do is take a night crawler and I'm gonna cut him up now so I won't have to keep cutting. I'm gonna cut him into 3s or maybe even 4 and see if we can trigger a different bite. That's next. I want to take this time to thank y'all who's watching for tuning in to DGTV. I really appreciate it, guys. Let's keep working. Let's get some friends to subscribe to the channel right now. And if you're not subscribed and you're watching, hit the button right now, subscribe to the channel. Let's grow the channel. I want to grow with you guys. That's nice to see the point sticking right out right there. That's dance. Dance, my friend. Dance underwater when you get there. Subscribe, y'all. DGTV. DGTV, Delaware Valley. Let's go out there. Ooh, nice cast that time. Got out there. Got that worm, put a little bit of weight on there. Slow retrieve across. Oof. Whoa, that was nice. That was a hit, guys. Should have gulped it, dude. Another hit. I feel it. You can feel the vibe. I love this ride. Send it back out. Oh, I just missed that tree. Wow. I think I'm gonna tighten that drag just in case. Just in case something come out. Not a big hook on there. Man, oh, look what we got. What we got, guys? Ooh, look like it's a decent sized fish. Not necessarily a baby. What we got? Oh, is that our friend the rock bass? It is. It is. Tighten that drag up so you can hold him. Look at that. It's our old friend, Mr. Rock Bass. See? You changed up the bait, changed up your location, and you got the bass. Red eye. The red eye Rocky. Look at that. That is a beautiful fish. If I'm wrong and it's not a rock bass because of the red eyes, I'm not quite sure. In these parts, if I'm wrong, name that bass. Look at that beautiful fish. Look at that species, guys. What a great fish. If you're lucky, I'll take you home, man. If it wasn't for just a little bit bigger. Get rid of it. Get off it. Get off. Get off. There you go. Red eyes on that sucker. Beautiful, man. Just a beautiful fish. Look at that. Awesome. Flat out awesomeness. You can see the squirrels running all through the tree. I love nature. Look at just nature, trees, fall. It's just all gorgeous. Have a nice day. Thanks for playing. DGTV. Different bait, different result. Let's see what else this worm can catch. That is a gorgeous fish. If anybody that's watching this want to go fishing with your boy G, you want to do a little creek fishing with me, I'm going to try to leave my email in the description, or maybe even on the screen. Get at me or tweet me. Tweet DG36. That's tweet DG36. Let's go fishing. I wonder if it's a bigger rock bass to be had. Look at that squirrel just busy over there, just busy. I love this stuff. It's so peaceful, so cool. The leaves just came down in a flurry. A whole bunch of leaves just dropped. Look at that. That's why they call it fall. Genius, huh? If we can get another big, beautiful rock bass, I'm almost finished this fishing session. So far to recap, guys, we got 1 smallmouth bass, 4, maybe even 5 red breasts, 3 or 4 green sunfish, and 1 red eye, beautiful rock bass. Not bad, right? Not shabby at all. I think I'm gonna be a little adventurous and just come right over more to this side further. And just to see. Oh, see, that's what I don't want to do. Add more injuries. Set this right here. Looks to be a little deeper right here. That right there is annoying. That's an easy pop your line situation. But right in there, I want to get perfect cast. See, you got that. You got the overhanging trees that can all cause you a problem. So let me let that sit there for a minute. Wait a minute. I don't know. Do I need a minute? Look at the line. The line is telling me something. Look at that. Got him. Got him. Look at that. Come here. Woo! Bigger red breast. Bigger red breast. GoPro, look at that. DGTV, baby. That is a beaut. Okay, that's where the big brother red breast was hanging out at. Okay. All right. That was a cool red breast. Yes, it was. Let's see if I can get it back in that spot with a great cast. Let's just see if it was something. I didn't shut the bell yet. Let's see. I'm gonna shut it now. Slow retrieve. Sometimes you can see the bite about to happen. Depends what angle you're positioned at. Now see, that's a dangerous cast because you want to make sure you got to avoid those. It's a dangerous. You want to just get out of that situation right now before it become a problem. And that's cast into the darkness right over there, y'all. Right over there. That's cast right over there. Bam! What a great cast. Positioned perfectly. Let's see if it'll pay off. And I tell you, if I wanted to cook up some breakfast, I had a couple good ones. Get out of there. Get off that situation. Look at this guy, guys. Look at this guy. Another red eye rock bass. Wow. I wonder if it's the same guy. I just found him again. We found each other. Oh, get out of there. Nuts. Get. I love these fish. This is the second time or the second one. I don't know if it's the same guy. What's this spot on him right there? Oh, there's a bubble. What a great fish. Wow. Just the colors and the ability to have those red eyes is just amazing. GoPro, take a photo. Oh man, so we got two beautiful rock bass. I'm gonna make my way back over there to try the night crawlers out over there, guys. Let's see, let's get back up top here. I work out in many different ways. Let's see, let's get back over here. Cause on this side, I don't know why fools gotta leave their trash down here. Drives me nuts. Take your trash with you, people. We don't want this stuff in the water, man. Take it with you, it's not that hard. All the little creatures. All the little creatures in the water. Sometimes I wonder if this type of vegetation will hold up in my fish tank. Probably not, 'cause the fish tank is tropical. So it's a different deal. These are like, seem to be like cold water plants. That piece of nightcrawler lasted for quite some time. Let's go get the other little piece that I already cut. And that's cast in this direction now. So much food out here for these guys to survive. They didn't catch this stuff all day. All these back swimmers. Let's put this guy on. So make sure you get the sharpest little hook you can find. This is a laser sharp that I had for quite some time, and it's still laser sharp because I ain't missing too many bites there. As long as that tip is sticking out like that, that's a good threading of the hook with your worm. And that action right there is the trigger. That's how you trigger the fish, right there. All right, let's get him out. Let's cast out there in the sun. I don't think nothing gonna hit because it's so bright. But let's see if something to run all the way out there to get it. Slow retrieve. I don't think so. I think it'll get hit on the way in. Perfect spot. Let's see if we can get something decent size to hit. You already got it. So small. You small. You get that thing. There's a bunch of y'all down there. Trying to play snatch and run. Trying to play snatch and run. Your little stuff got that? Oh no. Not again, guys. It's like the smallest of the smallmouths is out here. Smallmouth bass number 2. You feisty, you little fella. Smallmouth number 2. Look at that guy. Get out of here. 2 smallies, 2 rockies. We got 2 smallies, 2 rockies, 3, 4 greenies, 5 or 6 reds. That's the count for the day. That's probably my last cast. Yeah, maybe not. It's so fun. It's hard to resist. He just pulling. He just pulling. I probably got him. Oh man, was that stuck under a rock or something? Jeez, I know that fish wasn't that big. You got that bait off there though. That's a victory for you, buddy. You got me. You cleaned that off. But I got one more piece to burn out. I know I said last cast. I always say last cast. Oh, drop that bait. Let's get that bait back on the hook. It is very active in this spot over here. Well, they some thieves. They really just pulling at the worm, trying to get the worm off the hook. It's always them fools that you find just throwing stuff in the water. Right in that section over there, it's like an amazing fish tank. Like if you had a fish tank, that's what you were wanting to look like. Oh, almost hit me in the face. Let's put it back down in that spot. Got him. Got him. What is it? GoPro, start recording. I got a 3rd red-eye bass. Wow. What a beautiful fish. This one I'm talking about, man. I love these guys. A 3rd one on the other side of the creek. 2 down there. Now I got one here. Love them. GoPro, take a photo. Look at these guys. Probably got picked clean because I had to reset the bait. I mean, reset my GoPro. The battery died. Had to put the next battery in. But I'm about done for today. I truly am. I had an amazing time creek fishing with you folks. Amazing time. It was awesome. It was really and truly an awesome time. I make sure I get out here before and just keep on racking up creek fishing adventures like this and enjoying myself. Let's get it back out there. So let's review that count. Now we got 3 rockies, 2 smallies, 3 or 4 greenies. Got him. Got him. Oh, wait a minute, he got off at the end. Ugh. He got off at the end. Ah. Ooh, man. Just action packed. Action packed. Hey, I'm gonna fish with the moss on there. I tell you, there's still some characters down there, man. These guys are something else, these fish. Let's put it as far as I can down there. Nice cast, George. Nice side. Just beautiful cast, but beautiful casting by me. Look how they hit. Got him. Got him. Come on. Don't lose him. Don't get off. Don't get off. Don't get off. What we got? Fish. What we got, fish? We have a greenie. Big old green sunfish. I'm sorry, these green sunfish is like a cross between a small a rock bass and a red breast. I really do think these is a rock bass slash red breast sunny combination. That's what they look like. Go back out there. Just a squirrel trying to get a nut. Hey buddy, did you get a nut? There's something about those quick fishing sessions that can just boost your whole day. You know, you went down there, it was comfortable, it was fall weather, the water was clear, and you just multi-species catch. Those 3 rock bass was just made me feel so good because I miss catching those guys. And the green sunfish was awesome. It's always fun to get it. So anytime I can try to get down there and catch me some fish, I'ma do it. It's about to get cold, so right now is a great time to get down there and get them. So guys, do me a favor, before I end this video, subscribe to the channel. DGTV Delaware Valley. DGTV Delaware Valley. Subscribe for me. Hook me up. Subscribe. Let's do more videos. Signing off. Until next time, folks.